Hi, let's solve next previous question of tree. It was asked in 2015 set 3 1 mark. So let's read the question. While inserting the elements 71, 65, 84, 69, 67, 83 in an empty binary search tree in the sequence shown, the element in the lowest level is. So it is asking which element will be at lowest level if you are inserting these element in an empty binary search tree. So let's insert these element in the empty binary search tree. So first is 71, so always first element will be root. Then 65, that is less than 71, so 65. Next 84, 84 is greater than 71, so 84 will be its right child. Next 69, 69 is less than 71, so it will be in left subtree. And 69 is greater than 65, so it will be right child of 65. So 69 will insert here. Then 67, 67 is less than 71, greater than 65, less than 69. So it will be insert as a left child of 69. So next 83, 83 is greater than 71, it is less than 84, so it will be insert as a left child of 84. Okay, so now you can easily see which element is at lowest level. So 67 is at lowest level, so answer will be B, 67. So in case of binary search tree insertion, first element will always be root and the other element that you just compare. So if it is less than, then it will be left child. If it is greater than, that will be right child. So you just follow the rule and insert. So here answer is 67. Thank you.